Hey guys, what up? Welcome back to the channel. So it's the slow time of year for me in the storage unit business. There's a lot of good deals out there. You can find some good units, but it's hard to sell stuff this time of year. So that's why I'm doing so many YouTube videos. I'm getting kind of burned out on those storage units anyway. You guys don't know, but I've been doing that almost 8 years. So you get tired of going through trash. I like it when I find good stuff. It's fun, but you don't find good stuff all the time. You do a lot of trash digging. And I get tired of going through all the junk and stuff, but it's how I make a living, so I got to keep doing it. But it's the slow time of year, and so I'm focusing the next month or two on YouTube. I'm going to see if I can't build up my audience and see if I can't get you guys a support so we can do some big things on this channel. There's all kinds of stuff I want to do, but don't have really the money to do any of it currently. But I'm going to get there, guys. Everybody has goals, right? This boat here I'm fixing up for somebody. They want it restored. I got to make sure I can get the motor to run before I get started on it. And I got my Mavic 2 Pro out here. I wanted to try something different today. This ain't really, it's about drones, but it's not about RC cars. I wanted to go and there's a really high-end neighborhood, and all the homes in this neighborhood are over $500,000. Every home in this neighborhood is well over $500,000. So let's get the drone out and go to this neighborhood, and I'm going to take a drone flight over these $500,000 plus homes. Alright guys, here I am. I'm where I'm going to film these high-end houses. It's actually a private neighborhood, so I'm not even allowed to go in it. But I'm right out front of it, and all these homes are going to be $500,000 to $1 million, in that range somewhere. None of them are going to be less than $500,000. So I'm going to put the drone up and we're going to go check them out. Alright guys, that's the end of the video. I just got back from making it. What'd you guys think about that footage? Let me know down in the comments if you like seeing videos like this. If I don't hear much, I probably won't do no more. If I get a lot of good response and a lot of views, I'll probably do another one like this in the future. All those homes were over $500,000. And some of them might have been up to $1 million. I love doing beautiful footage like that of property and houses and man-made stuff that's just really, really nicely made. You could tell those were some high-end houses. Anyway, guys, I got my Mavic 2 Pro and nothing happened to it. It's all good. I love this little drone. I've had it about 7 or 8 months, I think, something like that. And I haven't had any issues out of it, guys. If you can afford it, I highly recommend the DJI Mavic 2 Pro. This will take you from beginner. I wouldn't get it if it's your first drone. If it's your first drone, start with something like the Mavic Mini or the Spark. That's what I started with several years ago, was the Spark. And once you get the hang of it and get used to it, then move up to a DJI Mavic 2 Pro. But yeah, this is a great drone, guys. The possibilities are limitless with this drone. It's small, it's powerful, and it has everything you need in a little small compact package. And the smart controller, I got that because I didn't want to have to use my phone when I was flying it. Anyway, guys, that's the end of the video. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Happy 2020. It's going to be an awesome year, guys. Let's get this party started.